We know what we need. I'm going to start with the earphone headpiece set. This is how it looks. Bring that in closer and just get a look at it. This is the PTT switch, which we're going to keep this plastic housing, and the button. We're going to keep that intact, and we're going to be removing this clip, so we don't want that. We also do not need the input to the earpiece mic, so we're going to be cutting off just there and removing that part. And on the actual plug itself, we're going to be removing the first two of each pin, so we are left just with the bottom pieces. That will give us voltage and the PTT circuit only. And the eventual cable, which I've prepared one here already, will look as simple as this. There's the button and the plug. So first thing is to put the plug into the SP mic port, like that. Secured now, and I want to make sure that it doesn't come loose, because it is a much looser connection now that I've chopped off some of the pins. So I'll start with some Velcro. These two, I've just joined these two together. If you recall, I showed you these Velcro strips. Just join two of them together, and I'll take the Velcro strap, the thick part, put it over the K port, then as tight as I can, I'm going to wrap sliding a bit, that into place like that, so that it can't very easily move out the way, and should be stronger that way than by itself. Next thing I'm going to do is just take these two of these Velcro straps and put them together with a slight gap between them, because I want to use that gap. And I'm going to take the end of the PTT and just put it through there, close it, so this can still slide, but it can't move left or right too much. At this point, I'm almost finished. Just going to put it into the holster. As possible. And connect up the strap. Go. Push the strap into place. Takes a bit of force on. There we go. So that's a single part, and then here on the left hand side. Right, so all I am left with is the radio with Velcro holding the K-plug in place firmly into its holster with the wristband. Okay, in the next video, I'll show and demonstrate how I put it on and how I can use it.